All right, so this is going to be a quick recap of how I was able to make $431 with my TradingView account, okay? And I'm trying to pass this $50,000 eval. So let's get into it. If you know me, when I trade, I always wait for the 945 or 950 for market direction. So I have a setup, which is the HOD. I was waiting for price to break all this candle right here, and so I can take it for a continuation up, but we didn't have a clean break and hold. Price didn't break clean, so I waited for all the manipulation, and I know we was also approaching the supply area right there, but I was also anticipating for price to come to this left shoulders, this head and shoulders, so that way I could take a trade. But price came, market just keep flushing down, and we came back for a retest, but I was late on the retest. Okay, so now I waited for price to bounce on VWAP. When price bounced on VWAP and we failed, we formed like a head and shoulders. Fail back, we came back and reclaim, which is one of my setup in my playbook, fail and reclaim. So I was able to enter on the fail and reclaim right there when we reclaim back the pre-high, and I was able to make a quick scalp. And the reason being why I just took a scalp is because I know we have Powell speaking. We have the FOMC meeting, which is coming up this Wednesday, okay? So a lot of times the market will be volatile and it's a lot of manipulations all the way to Wednesday, okay? And people are just scared and waiting for the chairman to speak or trying to see what Powell is saying, okay? And from experience, so I was able to take a quick scalp, and I'm glad that I was able to just scalp quick and get out the trade. Look at it. It would have hit my stop loss and I would have been dealing with all this, or probably just exit out the trade and leave that money on the table, okay? So the reason why I'm pointing this all out is just about being patient. Patiently wait for the right setup. If you don't have a setup in the morning, just keep patient and wait for the right setup until you have market direction. You can take it, scalp a little bit, and once you get the right setup, you can capitalize off it. So patience equals profit. That's the main factor there, and that's the key about trading, okay? And that's it.